Good afternoon, students. Now, I am going to discuss about the concept of set operation. What is set operation? When we want to deal with two different relations, then we will apply some set operation. Set means an identical group of attributes. Okay, you can see there are different set operation possible on a relation R: union, intersection, Cartesian, and difference. Okay, the first three operations require that the relation must have schemas with identical set of attributes, and the order of attribute the relation must also be same. So now there is some rules for set operation. There are four type of set operation we will deal with. The first one is union, then intersection, then difference, and last one is Cartesian product. For union, intersection, and for difference, we have to check whether both of the relations attributes are identical and the order of them are equal or not. If it is not, then we are not able to perform these three operations on that particular relation. So first, I am going to discuss about the concept for union set operation. What is it stating? The set union operation, when applied on two relations, finds the data that occur in either or both the relations involved. It is denoted by the symbol union sign. So it is, you can see that the union is denoted by U. Okay. So what is the function of union? If we want to join or combine two tables, then we can do that if both the relations attributes are identical and orders are same manner. So in this way, in union, we will get a relation which will take the combination of two relations data, whether the data are common or not. Okay, so in union we will get all the data from two different relations. So you can see there is two relation is there, science club and nature club. When we are combining these two under union operation, you can see the relation which is going to make, that is R equal to SC union NC. So SID, F name, last name, class, section, all are there, and all the name from both the tables are existing. See, Shaurav Ghoshal, Devargo, Dastidar, Yogesh Khatari, everything, all the information are there. So it will take all the common and uncommon values under a single relation. Okay, but in intersection operation, it is just opposite. The intersection operation applied on two relations find the data that occur in both the relation. That means the intersection operation will take only the common value. So if we intersect between science club and nature club, you can see it will create a table which is only taking the common values from two different tables. You can see in science and nature club the common values are Devargo and Yogesh. The data for Devargo and Yogesh are common for both the tables. So intersection will only deals with the common value. Okay, so intersection operation will only show the common attribute or common values, common attribute, no, only common values from both the tables. Okay, now the last one is a difference. Difference means the set of difference operation when applied on two relation finds the data only occur in one relation but not in the other. It is denoted by minus. Difference means in union what we have learned, it will take the common and uncommon both. In intersection, it will take only the common part. But in difference, if we want to minus nature club from science club, it will deduct, or it will uh, it will minus the common part from the both of the table. That means if we deduct or if we eliminate the common part from the both of the table, then the rest of the part will be displayed. If we suppose if we want to subtract SC minus NC, that means we will show the table or show the relation from signs relation, where the common part of NC will be eliminated. See, in science club, what is the common part with nature club is Debargho and Yogesh. So what will be the rest of Shauro and Rubesh? So if we subtract SC minus NC, we will get the value only Shauro and Rubesh, because the common part of nature club will be eliminated. If we want to subtract NC minus SC, means we want to deduct the common part of science club from the nature club. Then it will show only the uncommon part of the nature club. Those are Debraj and Anshuman. You can see Debraj and Anshuman are uncommon for nature club, but Devargo and Yogesh are common for both the table. So whenever we will subtract a relation from another relation, the first which will write, suppose A minus B, then the common part of B will be eliminated from A and the rest of the A will be displayed. And if we subtract B minus A in difference operation, then the common part of A will be eliminated and the rest of the B part will be displayed. So this is the concept of different set operation, which are union, intersection and difference. I hope it will help you. This video will help you to understand the concept of the set operation. Still, you have any doubt regarding this, just write down anywhere on your copy. We will be discussed on our Zoom class. Okay? Till then, thank you.